Check out this 2008 Ford Super Duty F-350 SRW. Carfax has certified this Super Duty F-350 SRW as having one owner. This Super Duty F-350 SRW has just under 79,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Super Duty F-350 SRW boasts a 6.4-liter engine and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 877-331-8023 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.